Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you shipped an order outside Etsy. Don't forget these steps. If you didn't buy a label through Etsy, you must manually mark the order as shipped. So you're gonna ask me how to access all of this. It's through the shop manager. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to mark an Etsy order as shipped. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. It totally doesn't really matter if you are using the app or the website. All you're gonna do is go through Etsy.com. So for me, I would prefer always the website. Just go look for Etsy in your favorite browser, Etsy.com. Then open this Etsy by tapping on the link. It will be opened. It's time now to log in using your correct email address and password. Make sure it's the correct account or the correct shop. Now go through the shop manager again. Look for orders and shipping settings, then open the order, click complete order, then enter the shipping company, tracking number, it's optional but recommended. You can also add the ship date, then click on complete order. Now it's fully done. As for like the usual bonus tips, always add tracking to protect yourself. So basically, you're gonna protect yourself, you're gonna protect the buyer, since tracking really helps you out. It tells you the exact location of your product, maybe if it's international or even national, it depends. Buyers automatically receive a shipping notification, and that's actually good for your, I would say, company, or should I just say shop. Then completion orders on time help star seller status, so it would boost your sales, it would boost your shop. It's generally good. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.